Nongyalam ka UDP ubadiru Menteri Sorkar oba Kyrmen Syllad hak arpo tarik unay wing, ulaong baka shong paidbah ka East Giant Hills, bakin rai la ka jingwanrah ya ka lynti kanwanrah jingmyntoi na EMeki. Habakren sa kila patay kabor uba Kyrmen ulaong. Namar ka jingkim jong kapor, kumtaru lala satya ban pelong ya ka jingalang paidbah, balatmu na kabenta ban shimi ki jing jingmut, bat ka jingpat sngo baper, halor ka jingtarwa ban wanra ya ka lynti Ya kani ka jingalang lala ban pelong tang halor ka jingkwa ka jonga, henry ka day ban long ka jingkwa bat ka jingang nut jing ki paidbah. Halor kani ngihap ban sedang da ka jinga sulok bat ki kinhun baper, henry menta kampat day kapor, namar ki babun kimpat lala por. Henry enda kapor kalabyang, ngin sakot ya ka jingalang halor kani kapang ulaong. Habakali uni Menteri ulaong bakam dan satya ka jing artatien bakaroy kapar kawan ringkat bat ki jingmyntoi, bat kumju ki jingdu jingmyntoi. Henry ngihap ban pet ya ka ka bakam yonong la kalong da ka bawanra ni ban omonra ya ka. Lada ka day ka ba yonong bat ka kam jam ya ki briyo, kani ka shong ki paidbah ban rai. Compare satya lada ka yonong katno ru lada ki paidbah kim pediang, ngimde ban penyak syakman. Henry lada ki paidbah ki ong bangide banyak syakman, balada ka jingmyntoi kumtaru ka dan jingmut banyak pelut ya kapor, bat shimi ki sinjam halor kani ka benta ulaong.
We do want to have a meeting, but it's just that due to scarcity of time, myself, I'm in something else, preparation for my next step. So that's why, to be frank, I'm getting married soon. That's why I don't have much time for this. But still, I'm trying to put myself and then at the same time adjust my timing so that whether when to have this meeting. This meeting, it cannot be held just with my wish. It has to be with the even the public should accept this meeting to happen. So for that we have a consultation. We start consulting stakeholders. So it's not a proper time as of now because not everyone are free. So when the time is ready, so we'll call a meeting for this. There will be a meeting, no doubt. Anything happen, it has to happen with the consent of our people, public. If they want it, and if there is a benefit, no doubt when there is a development, there's a merit and demerit at the same time. We have to see which is more profitable, by making it or by not making it. So if you see it's profitable by making it, and then it brings revenue to the state and it brings job to the people, so that to people to decide. Because no matter how good it is, if the public is not accepting it, so we shouldn't go ahead. But if the public says that we should go ahead, and if it benefits, then it worth spend your time, it worth investing in anything.